All right, driver, pull onto the scales slowly, then head straight back to the main bay.
Documents confirmed. Please proceed to loading bay 3. Welcome to the facility.
A little to the left.
Okay, hold it right there. Brakes engaged.
Steady on the left side.
Okay, next 3 coming down.
Vitals look good so far.
Easy now, keep moving through. All right, clear the gate.
Transport manifest confirmed, all clear for assessment.
Moving this one through now.
Posture is excellent, movement fluid. Check the digital records for the last weight entry.
Okay, the hindquarter development is exceptional. Let's log that as a top-tier rating.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Vitals are stable, uploading the data now. Confirmed. Data verified and logged.
All vitals are stable. I'm uploading the dental and eye exam now.
Confirmed. This bull is cleared for transport.
All biometric data for the Simmentals is well within parameters. Confirmed. We are showing green across the board. Go ahead with the transfer.
All clear on the panel. The weights are consistent with the growth projection. Good. Let's finalize the movement order for Sector 4.
The consumption rate on trough 4 is slightly below average. I noticed that.
Yeah.
The sensor reading seems accurate.
Check the coat near the flank. Still some residue there. All right, increasing flow rate now. Move to the rear now. Clear. Finishing the tail.
Keep them steady, moving to Station 3.
Confirmed. System reports optimal drying temperature.
The grain looks good here. Check the moisture levels.
Moisture is within tolerance according to the specs.
The pH reading is stabilizing right where we want it.
Perfect. I'll log the current temperature.
I'm marking this section for grain variation. Understood. Recording as minor defect, sent to Station 4.
Hides loaded and secured, ready for sealing.
Confirmed. Initiating automated sequence.
We need to ensure the grading is precise before we cut.
I'm double-checking the shoulder slope now. It matches the screen.
This leather is flawless. Check the zipper action. Smooth. Meets the luxury standard. Final approval granted.